the sky was red. The fields of Škabrnja filled with the dead. Houses turned to dust, dreams torn apart, but fire could not kill the Croatian heart. Through smoke and tears, through endless pain, the sun of freedom shone again. From ashes, Škabrnja rises high, a phoenix born beneath the sky. Where blood once fell, now children play. Croatia's soul will never decay. They tried to break what cannot die. They tried to silence the nation's cry, but stones remember every name, and from that soil grew hope again. Through scars and grief, through fear and flame, a people stand forever the same. From ashes, Škabrnja rises high, a phoenix born beneath the sky. Where blood once fell, now children play. Croatia's soul will never decay. Let every home be built with pride. Let love be stronger than the tide. For Škabrnja speaks to every son that family and faith are never undone. Stands again, proof that loss can turn to gain. Through every wound, through every fight, Croatia shines.